Today, I'm going to answer the most common question that everybody asks. How to get your first product manager role is what everybody is asking. And in today's video, we are going to break it down step by step and I'm going to answer it. Manoj here, product manager and content creator with 5+ years experience. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. Step 1. So when you have started or taken the decision that I want to transition to product management or I want to get my first product manager job, first thing to think of is why do you want to become a product manager? Do you really like the role? Or is it because of the trend that everybody is following? Or is it because it's high paying? Or is it because it cannot be replaced by AI? This should not be your reason. You should have like a real love or passion to solve problems, or you should know the pros and cons of the role before taking that decision. Once you have a clear decision, here I want to become a PM, and you have a clear reason, right? It's not because of trend or friend told me or that relative told me, etc. It should be because you like it. Second, choose a type of PM role. So there are several types of PM roles. In India, the most common ones are the business product manager or the general product manager. You also have technical product manager. You also have growth product manager. So these are the kind of roles where the technical product manager focuses on building core tech products which powers the consumer product. Growth product manager focuses on building growth products, like it might be acquisition product of acquiring users, it might be products in retention and engagement, or it might be product focus on a particular part of the funnel. Like bigger companies have growth PM role. But in general, the general PM role is the most common role across the company. There are other PM roles like data PM, AI PM and many. You should explore this and take a decision of what kind of PM do you want to become. The next part is choose an industry or a kind of company where do you want to work in. Do you like B2B, B2C? What kind of users you want to solve problems for, right? And next, the fourth step is the most important, is starting learning, right? So now you are convinced that you want to become a product manager, you know what kind of PM you want to become. Now you need to build your skills. But the problem is there are a lot of content. There's information overload, there's AI, there's free course, there's paid course, a lot of things, right? But today I'm going to tell you like how to choose a paid course, right? And so here, there are 3 key things you should know. So one is the course taught by expert. Second is, do they help you with placement assistance and interview preparation? And third is the course updated, and do you build a portfolio of projects, right? These are the only 3 things to consider. And I'm going to talk about one course that I would recommend is Internshala's program, right? And this course is really good because they help you with a placement with a minimum total stipend of 35,000 with an opportunity where you can get either an internship or a PPO with a job, right? You get 100% of the course fee refund within 6 months of graduating from the course. It has industry level projects and you get 2 certificates. So one is which is recognized by Internshala training, and another one is NSDC and Skill India, which is a government certificate. Apart from that, this is very beginner friendly, no prior knowledge is required, and their alumni are working at very big companies like Blinkit, Amazon, Flipkart and many more companies. The most important part is I have been noticing is they have very good success stories, and I just want to highlight like a couple of them. So they have helped people who are from career break to come back to product management. They have helped people like freshers to get their first associate product manager role. They have helped students to get their first internship, and you can view them on the screen. And apart from that, they have a lot of success stories and learners who are placed in top companies. So yeah, and this is about learning, and it's very simple. You should focus and spend a lot of time in learning, which is the most important part. And once you have learned from a course, right, like Internshala's placement guarantee program, you would be almost ready. But the main part is you should give your full focus, time, energy there. And once you are ready, the next part, the 5th step is practicing for interviews, right? You need to keep on practicing for interviews, get feedback from other people. This is very important, right? And after that, you should keep your resume, portfolio updated and also personalized according to what company you want to get. And the last important part is networking and getting feedback. So just by applying, things won't get better. So you should either create content on LinkedIn or Twitter, network with similar people in the product management space, or attend events, right? And get referrals and get your first PM job. Maybe I've told a lot of things in this video. Just to summarize, step 1, have a clear reason of why do you want to become a product manager. It should not be because of trend or somebody else is telling. It should be about you really want to get into the role. Second, choose a type of PM you want to become. Third, Choose an industry or a kind of company where you would like to work. It depends upon what kind of problems you want to solve or what kind of users you would love to solve problem for. Let's say I like to build products for children, or I like to build products for maybe complex workflows. Fourth is important step where you start learning from a course. Either you can do a free course or a paid course, and you can check out the course link which I told about in the description. And next, the fifth part is you need to start practicing for interviews, get feedback and improve yourself. The sixth is you should keep your resume and portfolio ready. Seventh is you should start networking, get referrals and apply for it. Right? So this is like a short video. If you want me to make a more detailed video on each step, just comment I want, or just comment feedback of what's the exact step you want me to explain in details. I'll make a detailed video on that. You can also connect with me one-on-one via TopMed. I've also attached the link in the description. Thank you and have a nice day.